There's renewed hope this evening that Kentucky's crime victims will receive their own set of constitutional rights. Thanks for staying with us here at 4:30. I'm Renee Murphy in for Rachel Platt today. Well, today the group behind Marsy's Law announced more than a dozen leaders are backing the legislation in Jefferson County alone. And WHAS 11's political editor Chris Williams is here now with details on this proposed constitutional amendment. Chris?
Renee, this spring the Big Four Bridge was lighted purple in support of Marsy's Law. An effort to pass it in 2016 failed in the Bluegrass. But this time, victims advocates are building an early base of support larger than the last time around. A bipartisan strategy they hope will bridge the divide this time.
I do feel like this year may be the year to change some very detrimental policies and laws that we have in Kentucky and make that Kentucky a safer place for everyone. That's my hope.
Michelle Kuiper is a survivor and victims advocate who's pushed for legislation like Marsy's Law before. The announcement that more than a dozen Jefferson County leaders from law enforcement and local and state government are on board already is giving her hope. Unlike a program that may inform a victim about offender information after a conviction, Marsy's Law would give victims constitutional rights to being informed of all court proceedings during the legal process. It also gives them the right to be present in court, be heard at any plea, sentencing, or other proceeding, notification of release or escape of the accused, reasonable protection from the accused, and rights to fairness and due process. Organizers plan to push for the legislation during the 2018 legislative session. Since it would be a constitutional amendment, passage in Frankfort would place the proposal on the November ballot for Kentuckians to decide.
And I think it's time for us as members of the General Assembly to look at the victim component of our judicial system.
Any attempt to alter a constitution can be a tricky proposition, but State Senator Julie Rocky Adams, who supports Marsy's Law, points to the early organization this time as a sign of potential.
Kentucky is only one of 15 states that doesn't have any sort of constitutional protection for the victims. And so here we are with this whole victim population, and they feel as if they have no say.
Recent legislation has focused on second chances for certain Kentucky offenders. Some supporters of Marsy's Law say while they believe in second chances, legislation like Marsy's Law would reassure victims that they are not forgotten. Chris Williams, WHAS 11 News.
All right, Chris, thank you very much. Well, you may have heard of another victims advocacy program known as VINE. We wanted to know how Marsy's Law differed from that. Well, VINE stands for Victim Information and Notification Every Day. The Kentucky Department of Corrections began that program back in 1996. It alerts those who sign up when an offender has a change of custody or change in status. Anyone can register for the updates, and offenders do not know who has signed up for that information.